This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2023 Toyota Kluger, stock number 7162. It's run from the 3rd 2021 to the current shape. It has an AXUH78 2.5 litre 4-cylinder hybrid petrol engine backed by an automatic electric 4-wheel drive transmission. This is a 2.5 litre hybrid petrol engine. Front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory on the mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory on the mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door one dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory on the mega tyre, right front door code, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.